today's Treat Tuesday recipe is a 5-ingredient oatmeal cookie dough fudge. Now this recipe was inspired by one of our ambassadors, Better Being Steph. So what you're going to need for this one is about 50 grams of the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder, about 100 mils of almond milk. I've got 30 grams here of rolled oats, 30 grams of chocolate chips, and 50 grams of peanut butter. You can use any nut butter that you like. And I'm also going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of brown rice syrup. Now to make this recipe, it's super simple. All you need to do is chuck all your ingredients into a mixing bowl and use your hands to combine the mixture. Now once it's combined, pop it into a lined tray and then pop that into the fridge to set for a few hours and then slice it up.